Hey guys, welcome back and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a PDF file using a Google Drive link so anyone with the link can actually access it. So first, simply open up Google Drive on your PC or mobile device. Then upload the PDF file if it's not already there. So to do this, you simply have to click upload, then select it from your phone or PC. Now once it's there, you can then right-click the PDF file and select Get Link. So in the sharing settings, you then have to choose anyone with the link and set the permission to viewer, commenter, or editor depending on what access you want to give them. So once that's done, you can then copy the link and send it via email, chat, or any other platform. So after this, anyone with the link can literally open and download your PDF file without you sending the actual attachment. And that's it. So that's how to send a PDF file using a Google Drive link. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.